Hello everybody, my name is Clara Eugenia Escarraguado and I want to share my video about Task 5 pronunciation practice in the course English Phonetics. 1. Step 1. Reading. Read the following text, try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to have in mind breathing, intonation, and stress. Theater protest. The protests last all week. The theaters want small classes and better money. They said that there must be more staff in schools. The school said that there is no money. However, theaters don't believe it. They said that schools spend all the money in different things. Minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. These sounds may confuse English learning. Then, pronounce them having in mind this variation of the sounds. Cat, bat, wide, wise, ride, road, kite, night, take, stick, cuffed, cut, bean, bean, till, peel, teach, pitch, they, pay, dig, pick, deal, peel, duck, buck, date, bait, tall, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, tote, cot, down, gown, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, ghoul, talk, gawk, table, gable, tin, fin, tail, fail, tongue, fun, tick, vic. Intonation. Read the following sentences having in mind the suprategmental features. Special question. Follow intonation. What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly, interesting, politeness. Rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did you say? Where have you been? General question, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag question. Falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands, falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking for help. Request, rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Asking to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence, falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct addresses, rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating, rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need papers, pens, and pencils. Response. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't. He didn't. Thank you very much.